European markets moving slightly lower this morning, and China also putting some downward pressure on its currency. The Deal's Jonathan Brada is in London with more. Jonathan?
Yeah, good morning, Ruben. European markets were down by the end of morning trading on Friday, with worries about the Ukraine affecting the mood and, as you say, concerns over Beijing's deliberate weakening of the Chinese currency, the renminbi. In the Eurozone, unemployment was stuck at 12% in January, while February inflation stayed steady at 0.8%. That's less than half the European Central Bank's long-term target of 2%, but slightly higher than expected. The ECB may do nothing when it meets next Thursday, but the euro strengthened against the dollar on the news. British education publisher Pearson, which publishes the Financial Times, fell over 6% after announcing a drop, also 6%, in operating profit before net restructuring charges for 2013. Meanwhile, International Consolidated Airlines, the owner of both British Airways and the Spanish airline Iberia, fell 2.6%, despite reporting a 2013 operating profit of 770 million euros, or $1.06 billion. That's a big jump from an operating loss of $23 million in 2012, but it didn't impress traders. On the bright side, insurance group Old Mutual rose 5% and took other insurance companies up with it. South African but London listed, Old Mutual said it was preparing an IPO of its United States asset management business, and it also announced a 7.2% rise in annual profit to $1.63 billion. Belgian steel wire and coating specialist Beckhardt rose over 5% on announcing the $310 million acquisition of Italian tyre maker Pirelli's steel cord business. The markets will watch this afternoon for US housing, consumer spending and economic growth figures. That's all from me in London. Ruben, back to you in New York.
Thanks, Jonathan. Have a great weekend. That was Jonathan Brada in London with the details there. In New York, I'm Ruben Ramirez. Have a great weekend.